Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let's go for continuing this. And remember, this is 8th period of this chapter. As I said yesterday, today we are going to focus on exercise number 3.5. Right? Now let me take the problems from exercise 3.5. Observe. The first question is like this. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, then we have to find out by cross multiplication method. Got it? Very simple. So first we have to check whether they have unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions. We have the conditions for all the three. Once we shall just recall them. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that the equations have unique solution. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then we can say that the given system of equations has infinitely many solutions. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, then we can say that they have no solution. Is it not? Yes. But here they are given in case there is a unique solution. That means if the given equations will satisfy this condition, then we have to solve them by cross multiplication method. Okay, now let's move on to this. First, let us verify them. Verification. The given equations, they are already in standard form. So no problem at all. Directly we can go for writing all the coefficients. What is A1? It is 1. B1 minus 3. C1 it is also minus 3. Then A2 this is 3. B2 this is minus 9. And C2 this is minus 2. Then to check whether they have unique solution, we have to find out all the three ratios. Let us find out. It is A1 by A2. What is that? It is 1 by 3. B1 by B2. This is minus 3 by minus 9. Minus minus get cancelled. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 is up. Then C1 by C2, it is minus 3 by minus 2. This can be written as 3 by 2. Just go for comparing. On comparing all the three ratios, we can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 because both are equal to 1 by 3 but not equal to C1 by C2. Then if the given equations satisfy this condition, we can say that the given equations have no solution. Therefore, the given equations have no solution. No solution. Then no need to go for finding it out. Clear? Yes. I'll go for the next example. Before that, just copy this. Answer this from here to there. Now let's move on to second sub question. Here also they are given two equations. Observe them. They are, one is 2x plus y equal to 5 and second one 3x plus 2y equal to 8. First we have to check whether they have unique solution. And observe and tell whether they are in standard form. No. Hence, first we shall write them in standard form. 2x plus y, transfer y to the left hand side, becomes minus 5. Then 3x plus 2y, transfer 8 to the left hand side, becomes minus 8, equal to 0. Then write all the coefficients. A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. A1, 2, A2, 3. Then B1, it is 1, B2, this is 2. Then C1 minus 5, C2 it is minus 8. Then go for finding all the three ratios. A1 by A2, this is 2 by 3. B1 by B2, this is 1 by 2. C1 by C2, it is minus 5 by minus 8 is nothing but 5 by 8. Go for comparing. Here I write. On comparing the ratios, we can write. See, A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. B1 by B2 it is 1 by 2. Are they equal? No. We can write A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If it is so, then if this condition is satisfied, we can say that the given system of equations have unique solution. Therefore, the given equations have unique solution. Unique solution. In the heading only they had given that if they have unique solution, then we have to solve them by cross multiplication method. Let us go for following the cross multiplication method. Here I will write calculation by cross multiplication method. Yes, we are very familiar with that. We will write x, then minus y, then constant. With respect to x, leave the coefficients of x and use the remaining. Observe, it is first only I will write in like this. It will be easier to substitute. Here y, here also 4 terms, then 1, 2 terms minus third and fourth term. First, let us leave x coefficients remaining. Go for cross multiplying. 1 and minus 8, 1 minus 8, then 2 and minus 5. Next, y. The coefficients of y, accept them, take remaining. A1, A2, C1 and C2. Cross multiply. 2 and minus 8, 2 and minus 8, then 3 and minus 5. 3 minus 5. Then constant. Leave these constants C1 and C2. Take remaining. It is 2 and 2, 3 and 1. 2 and 2, 3 and 1. Next, let's go for simplifying. X by multiplying. Minus 8 into 1, minus 8. Here minus into minus plus, 5 2s are 10. It is equal to minus y by 2 into minus 8, minus 16. Minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15. This is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are, it is 3. Next, x by minus 8 plus 10 is, it is 2. Minus y by minus 16 plus 15, this is minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3, this is 1. You are going to find out the values of x and y. Hence, equate x term to a constant, then y term to the constant. First I'll write x by 2, this is equal to 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Cross multiply. X equal to 2, that is 1 into 2 is 2. We got x value. Next, y value. Here minus and minus get cancelled. Y by 1. Here this is 1 by 1. It is y is equal to, on cross multiplying, you will get 1. Therefore, 2 comma 1 is the required solution. Required solution. Yes. Observe that. First, you will write the given equations in standard form. You write the coefficients. Then, you will find out all the three ratios. You will go for comparing. If this condition is satisfied, you can say that they have unique solution. If they have unique solution, you can solve by cross multiplication method by following these steps. Okay? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Yes. Please go through third one and go on writing with me also. Yes. Start writing with me. First you copy this question. 3x minus 5y equal to 20. Then 6x minus 10y equal to 40. Have you written? Yes. Let's go for verifying whether the given equations have unique or not. Yes. What is the very first step? We have to write them in standard form. Write them in standard form. It is 3x minus 5y. Take 20 to the left hand side, minus 20. Next, 6x minus 10y. Transfer 40 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 40. Check whether you have written the same. If you have written, then write all the coefficients. It is a1 is 3, b1 is minus 5 and c1 is minus 20. Next, a2 is 6, b2 is minus 10 and c2 is minus 40. Over? Yes. Next, what is the next step? You have to find out all the three ratios. Right. a1 by a2. It is 3 by 6. 1s are 2s are. b1 by b2. It is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Next, c1 by c2. It is minus 20 by minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. 21s are 22s are. Have you got same? Good. Then you go for comparing. On comparing all the three ratios, what is it? First ratio 1 by 2, second ratio 1 by 2, third ratio is also 1 by 2. Hence we can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Written the same? Yes. So if this condition is satisfied, what do you say about the nature of the solution with respect to these equations? The given equations have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, the given system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay? So, should we go for using cross multiplication method? No. Why? In the heading only they have given that if it has unique solution only, then only we can go for cross multiplication method. So here not necessary. Yes. Observe and whether you have written from here to there. Yes. Fourth one. Please go through this. Here x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So first let us go for verifying whether they have unique solution or not. Then you tell whether the given equations are in standard form. Yes, of course. So you can write them as it is. X minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Then 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. What is the next step? Yes, we have to write all the coefficients. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 3 and c1 is minus 7. Then a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 15. Then what is the third step? We have to find out all the three ratios. First, a1 by a2, this is 1 by 2. b1 by b2, this is minus 3 by minus 3, get cancelled 1. Then c1 by c2. What is it? Minus 7 by minus 50, minus minus get cancelled, 7 by 50. Then next step, compare all the three ratios. What do you say? Here all right. On comparing, the next step, on comparing the ratios, we can write a1 by a2, it is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2, it is equal to 1. Hence they are not equal. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then what do you say about the solutions of this equation? These equations, yes, they have unique solution. Therefore, the given equations have solutions. Clear? Yes. If it is so, then we have to solve by cross multiplication method. Here I'll write by cross multiplication method. Yes, tell. How do you go for writing? Yes. First, we have to write x, then 4 terms, 2 terms minus next 2 terms equal to minus y by 4 terms, 2 minus 2 terms, 1 by 2 terms minus 2 terms. Okay. Now let us go for filling them. See that x, leave a1 and a2, take remaining. Go for cross multiplication. Yes, minus 3 minus 15, minus 3 minus 15 and minus 3 minus 7. Hope that you have understood. Next, minus y. Leave the coefficients of y, nothing but b1 and b2. Take remaining. 1 and minus 15, 3 and minus 7. 1 and minus 15, 3 and minus 7. Next, 1 by, to fill that, you have to leave C1 and C2, take remaining. A1, A2, B1, B2, cross multiply. 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3. 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3. Check, once you observe, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3. Now let us go for simplifying. X by, minus into minus plus, 15 3s are 45. Here minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 3 7s are 21. Minus y by, here 1 into minus 15, minus 15. Minus into minus, plus 3 7s are 21. It's equal to 1 by, 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9. Got it? Yes. It is x by, simplified, 45 minus 21, this will be 24, or else 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, it is 2. This is equal to minus y by, what is minus 15 plus 21? This will be plus 6. It is 1 by, minus 3 plus 9, this is 6. Got it? Now, in the next step, we are going to find out the values of x and y. First, you take x term, then equate this to constant 1 by 6. Cross multiply. X equal to 24 by 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are. Followed? Next. Minus y by 6. Y term, it's equal to 1 by 6. 6 and 6 get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 1. So x equal to 4, y is minus 1. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is the required solution. Yes. Please go for copying from here to there. Dear students, now we are moving to the second main. In second main, the first sub-question has been given like this. For which values of a and b in the given equations does the following pair of equations have an infinite number of solutions? Hope that you have understood. Here, these are the two equations. The unknown terms are a and b, the unknown coefficients. You are going to find out their values. And these values should satisfy the condition. What is that? They must have infinite number of solutions. What is the condition for infinite number of solutions? Yes, all the three ratios are equal. Hence, first, let us go for writing the given equations in standard form. It is 2x plus 3y, take 7 to the left hand side, becomes minus 7, equal to 0. Then a minus b into x plus a plus b into y. Transfer these to the left hand side. Minus of 3a plus b minus 2. It's equal to 0. The next step is write all the coefficients. They are A1 is 2, B1 is 3 and C1 is minus 7. Next A2, it is A minus B. Then B2, it is A plus B. Then C2, it is minus of 3A plus B minus 2. Clear? Next, dear students, we have a condition for infinite number of solutions. What is that? Here I am going to write for infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. The condition is, it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Let's go for substituting them. A1 by A2, 2 by A minus B. B1 by B2, 3 by A plus B. 3 by A plus B. C1 by C2, it is minus 7 by minus of 3A plus B minus 2. Now, minus get cancelled. Then using this, you are going to find out A and B values. Then how do you go for that? Look here, there are 3 possibilities. You may take first 2 or next 2 or first and last. These are the possible ways. Let us go for trying them. It is, I will take first 2. It is by taking these 2 by A minus B is equal to 3 by A plus B. Cross multiply. 2 into A plus B is equal to 3 into A minus B. Then multiply. 2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B. Transfer all these terms to the right hand side. 3A minus 3B as it is. 2A becomes minus 2A. 2B becomes minus 2B. It's equal to 0. Then what is 3A? Minus 2A? It is A. Minus 3B. Minus 2B. It is minus 5B equal to 0. Clear? We have got one equation. One equation, I call it as 1. Next, you may go for taking the next 2 on first and last. However you want. Here I'll write. It is 3 by A plus B. It is equal to 7 by 3A plus B minus 2. Then go for cross multiplication. 3 into 3A plus B minus 2. It's equal to 7 into A plus B. Multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9A, then 3B minus 6. This is equal to 7A plus 7B. Next, transfer all the terms to the left hand side. 9A plus 3B as it is. Then minus 7A minus 7B. It's equal to transfer constant to the right hand side. It becomes plus 6. What is 9A minus 7A? 2A. 3B minus 7B. It is minus 4B equal to 6. Observe all the coefficients are the multiples of 2. Hence divide both sides by 2. It will be A minus 2B equal to 3. You may call it as equation 2. Now to find out the values of A and B, we have to solve equation 1 and 2. Observe it. It is A minus 5B is equal to 0, first equation. Then A minus 2B equal to 3 is the second equation. Here the coefficients of A, it is same. Hence you can go for cancelling directly by changing the sign. These two get cancelled. Minus 5B plus 2B, it is minus 3B. 0 minus 3, it is equal to minus 3. B equal to 1. Clear? Next we have to find out A value. So to find out A value, just go for substituting B equal to 1 either in equation 1 or in 2. I'll go for taking first equation. It is a minus 5b, it is equal to 0. What is b? It is 1. A minus 5 into 1 equal to 0. A minus 5 equal to 0. What is A? A is 5. So therefore, the values of A and B are 5 and 1 respectively. Hope that you have understood. Yes. Once you go through this, these are the given equations. First we have written them in standard form. Next we have written all the coefficients. After that we have used the condition for infinite number of solutions. That is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then after that we have substituted all these terms. Next you go for taking two terms, two ratios. Either first two ratio or next two ratio or first and last. Here by taking first two we have found out the first equation A minus 5b equal to 0. Then next two, by taking next two we have found out the second equation, that is A minus 2b equal to 3. Then these two equations are solved by elimination method. Then the value of A will be 5 and B is 1. Got it? Yes. Pause the video and copy from there to here. Now let's move on to the second sub question. And previous one, there where we found out the values of A and B. For that question, please put double star mark. Even for this also. These two are very important in the examination point of view. Go through the given statement. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Dear students, could you tell what is the condition for no solution? Yes, you are right. It is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Is it not? Yes. The given equations are 3x plus y equal to 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal to 2k plus 1. Now let us go for finding the value of k. First we have to write the given equations in standard form. Tell them it is 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 because we have transferred 1 to the left hand side. Next 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y, then transfer these two, minus of 2k plus 1 which is equal to 0. Then let us write the coefficients. A1 is 3, B1 is 1 and C1 is minus 1. Then A2 is 2k minus 1, B2 is k minus 1 and C2 it is minus of 2k plus 1. Followed? Then here we have already written the condition for no solution. For no solution, then observe it. For no solution, this is the condition. Let's go for substituting. What is A1 by A2? It is 3 by 2k minus 1. 3 by 2k minus 1. B1 by B2, 1 by k minus 1, which is not equal to C1 by C2, minus 1 by minus of 2k plus 1, minus of 2k plus 1. Clear? Here, let me go for taking the first two. Observe. It is 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. It is cross multiply. 3 into k minus 1. 1 into 2k minus 1. Multiply. 3k minus 3. Here multiply. 2k minus 1. I am going to write this side. It is 3k. Separate k terms and constants. 3k. Transfer 2k to the left hand side. Becomes minus 2k. Then minus 1 is on the right hand side. Keep it as it is. Transfer minus 3 to the right hand side. Becomes plus 3. Then k equal to 2. Followed? So for this value, if k equal to 2, then the given equations have no solution. Clear? Here, therefore, for the value of k, for the value of k equal to 2 makes the given equations to have no solution. Clear? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Yes. Now we are moving to the third problem. Please go through that. Solve the following pair of linear equations by two methods. One is substitution, second one is cross multiplication method. Here two methods are asked at a time. Let us go for solving these equations by these methods, one after the other. Please go through this. 8x plus 5y equal to 9, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. These are the two equations. First, by substitution method. First, you write the given equations as 1 and 2. 8x plus 5y equal to 9, call it as equation 1. 3x plus 2y equal to 4, call it as equation 2. Then, according to this method, first we will go for taking any one of these two equations and you will solve any one variable. I go for taking the second equation. The reason is coefficients are small. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. And from this equation, which variable to be solved? Yes, I'll go for y. Here 2y is equal to 4. Transfer 3x to the right hand side becomes minus 3x. Then y equal to 4 minus 3x by 2. You may call it as equation 3. Dear students, you can observe that third equation is obtained from second equation, right? Hence, this third equation should be substituted in 1. Here I'll write substitute which equation? Equation 3 in 1. What is first equation? It is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 8x plus 5y equal to 9. What is y? 4 minus 3x by 2. Let us write 8x as it is. Then plus 5 into y. Y is 4 minus 3x by 2. Which is equal to 9. Next, here in the denominator 2 is there. Multiply 2 with all the terms. Multiply 2 on both the sides. It is 2 8s are 16x. Here when you multiply 2 here, 2 get cancelled. 5 into 4 minus 3x. It is equal to 2 9s are 18. Hope that you have understood. Then 16x as it is. Multiply 5 with both the terms. 5 4s are 20. Plus into minus. 5 3s are 15. Into x. 15x is equal to 18. Now separate the x term and constants. It is 16x minus 15x as it is equal to 18. Transfer 20 to the right hand side becomes minus 20. Then 16x minus 15x is 1x. 18 minus 20 is minus 2. Hope that you have understood. After getting the value of x, then we have to find out the value of y. So that substitute x equal to minus 2 in third equation, because we can get y directly in 3. Then equation 3 is y equal to 4 minus 3x by 2. 4 minus 3 into what is x? X is minus 2. 4 divided by 2. Next 4 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 by 2. 4 plus 6 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Y equal to 5. We can write therefore x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5 is the required solution. required solution. Hope that you have understood. You can just go for verifying that. Look at x is minus 2, y is 10. You take first equation 8x plus 5y. This is LHS part, right? Substitute 8 into what is x? X is minus 2 plus 5 into y is 5. It is 8 2s are 16 minus 16 plus 5 5s are 25. Minus 16 plus 25, 9. Similarly, when you verify for second one, you will get 4. Now, substitution method is over. Next, we will move on to cross multiplication method. Please go for copying from here to here. Let's copy this. Now, let us solve the same equations by cross multiplication method. Observe. So, in cross multiplication method, first you have to write the given equations in standard form. What is the standard form of first equation? 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0, right? Then, second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Clear up? Yes. Next, write the coefficients. The coefficients are a1 is 8, b1 is 5 and c1 is minus 9. Next, a2 is 3, b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 4. We have written all the coefficients. Next, we have to write terms related to x minus y and the constant 1. With respect to each term, we have 4 terms. 2 terms minus 2 terms. Here, 2 terms minus 2 terms. Similarly, for constant 1, for this also, we have 2 terms minus 2 terms. Let us go for filling these brackets. With respect to x, so first leave a1 and a2, consider remaining and go for cross multiplication. See that. It is 5 and minus 4, 2 and minus 9. 5 and minus 4, 2 and minus 9. Next, with respect to y, leave b1 and b2. Consider the remaining. It is 8 and minus 4, 3 and minus 9. 8 and minus 4, 3 and minus 9. Next, constant. Leave c1 and c2. Consider only these two. 8, 2, 3, 5. Here I'll write 8, 2, 3 and 5. Then go for simplifying them. X by 5 into minus 4, minus 20. Minus into minus, plus 2 9s are 18, which is equal to minus y by 8 into minus 4, minus 32. Minus into minus, plus 3 9s are 27, is equal to 1 by 8 2s are 16, minus 3 5s are 50. Then x by, what is minus 20 plus 18? This is minus 2. Then minus y by, what is minus 32 plus 27? It is minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15. It is 1. Hope that you have understood. Next, here let us go for finding the values of x and y, one after the other. First x term, x by minus 2 and the constant is 1. X equal to minus 2. Compare the previous problem by substitution method. There also we have got the same. Next, and y term, minus y by minus 5. Minus and minus get cancelled. We'll get y by 5, which is equal to 1. Y equal to 5. Therefore, minus 2 comma 5 is the required solution. Required solution. Even when you follow the elimination method, you will get the same. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Yes, hope that you have understood. Very simple. You have to copy from here, because earlier only you have written up to there, up to here. Then after that, you solve these equations by substitution. Now this is by cross multiplication method. First we should write them in the standard form, write the coefficients, use the condition, then equate x term to the constant, y term to the constant. Then you will get x and y values. So copy from here, by cross multiplication method, from here to there. Dear students, now we are moving to the fourth main. In fourth main, they have given statement problems and we should convert them into equations, then we can go for solving. And before that, once you go from the given statement, fourth one is like this. From the pair of linear equations in the following problems, and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. They have given pair of linear equations, we have to form the pair of linear equations. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. Then find their solution. Statement has been given, it should be converted into equations. Then find their solution if they exist. We have to check whether the solutions are existed or not. We have a condition for that. Then by any algebraic method, we have three important algebraic methods. They are, one is elimination, second one is substitution, third one is cross multiplication. Whichever you want, you can go through that. Yes, in that, first sub question has been given. Please go through this. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges, which includes even the fixed charge. Whereas student B, who takes food for 26 days, pays 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Hope that you have understood. Dear students, you should do one thing. You pause the video and copy from here to here. Then after that, you can start writing with me. Okay? Observe. Hope that you have copied. Now, first let's go for writing data. Observe here. There you are going to find out the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Are they known? Both are unknown. Let us go for assuming that. Please write with me. Yes. Let the fixed charge, hostel's fixed charge, let the fixed charge be rupees X. You all may be recalling one problem which was almost similar to this. Yes, can you tell what it is? Two persons were there. They are, one is Sarita and another one is Susie. It is regarding library problem. Is it not? It is also just like that. Let the fixed charge be rupees X. Then what is the cost of food per day? Let us go for taking that as Y. Write with me. And the cost of food per day, it is equal to rupees Y. Clear? Now we will move on to the given statement again. Look here. Student A takes food for 20 days.